Elon Musk's SpaceX has now acquired his startup, XAI, largest merger in history that is gearing up for a massive IPO. Deirdre Bosa digging into that story for today's Tech Check. Deirdre, what are you hearing?
So as Musk said in that announcement, the aim is to create the most ambitious vertically integrated engine on and off Earth. Now, that is the bull case, but it's also the kind of story markets rarely price in immediately. We've seen that in AI. Google had the integration edge for years before investors really rewarded it. So in the near term, though, this move complicates an IPO. Musk is no longer asking public markets to underwrite SpaceX, which is a cash flow positive company with billions of dollars in revenue, but underwrite SpaceX plus XAI, which is a far less mature business that reportedly lost some $10 billion last year with only a fraction of the revenue. It blurs scrutiny across Musk's companies as well without changing control. In this case, XAI, whose Grok chatbot is facing investigations in multiple countries, it now sits next to a government contractor with national security sensitivities. On its own, XAI's cash burn looks like weak unit economics, but put it inside SpaceX, and it is spun as long-dated CapEx sitting beside rockets. Less pressure to show near-term efficiency. If the AI bet works, SpaceX keeps the upside. If it doesn't, losses are absorbed by the rest of the business. Now, this is a playbook that Musk has run before. That is, anchor a money-losing bet to a capital-heavy government-backed business, then sell a future-facing story that buys time and buys new investors, brings them into the fold. A decade ago, the Tesla Solar City integration, it took years to materialize. Ultimately, it looked different, but it did eventually lead to a multi-billion-dollar revenue segment inside of Tesla. That really shows the upside and the risk of this kind of strategy. Bundling does buy Musk time, but eventually markets, they still want proof, and this is very different. The Solar City deal happened inside a public Tesla with SpaceX and XAI. Remember, this is going to be a brand new IPO. It's going to be competing for capital against pure AI plays like OpenAI and Anthropic, while asking investors to take that AI risk bundled inside of SpaceX. So muddies a lot of this path to the public markets.
Although the argument on behalf of Elon, Dee, is that it satisfies investors who want that exposure to pure AI before Altman and Dario can get to market.
Yes, and that's true. It also dilutes them, right, without going through, the shareholder votes and so on. But it is, when you look at Grok and XAI versus an OpenAI and an Anthropic, it still has some ways to go. It does give them that exposure, and that's really what Elon Musk is selling. What I said at the top, right? It's this idea of vertical integration that, in the long run, may certainly pay off, right? That's sort of what Google has proven. It's what an Alibaba has proven. And, I mean, Musk in the past as well. So that is the advantage here. It just may take some time for that to happen. But as with most things.
When you say vertical integration, it does sort of, I wonder if there's any antitrust questions, right? If the future of space is going to be data centers, if it's just going to be a monopoly by Musk.
Right. I mean, that's what he's building. But it's a new idea, just like, Tesla with electric cars. If you're bold enough, ambitious enough, if you can find the capital to do this, then you get to do that. And that's always the narrative, right? There's a narrative being spun here, and that's what he's so effective at. And that's how he can bring new investors in to these different propositions. You wanted an AI play or you wanted a space company, you can buy sort of this new narrative of data centers in space, bring them together.
Right, and we'll see what it does to demand for stories that are about terrestrial AI development and whether or not that takes an incremental hit. Dee, thanks. Deirdre Bosa.